Okay, so we got it taped up here. Got a rough 0, got a 20 rounder here. So far the gun is perfectly reliable. I took the gloves off just so I can feel the grip a little better here. I'm trying to figure out where we are. It should be around 8 to 10 here. I usually have markers, but they're buried in all this snow, as you can see. So we're going to do 2 mags here. See if we can just keep them all in there. Shoot at a decent pace here. That return to 0 is really nice. She has a little bit of a quick snap. And she comes right back down real nice. I love the way this gun shoots. I went a little crazy there. So here you go, right here. You can see we beat up the middle a bit there. And kind of towards the end there, I went just a little bit beyond my skill level here, and I pulled a couple of them out of that diamond zone there. You can see these ones are kind of border out. You could say like 3 to 4 of them are completely out. But for the most part, nothing crazy, nothing way up. You know, average just skill level. And like I said, the gun, it has that quick snap, and it comes right back down right there. And this grip, the MJD grip is just, I just love it. Like it eats into your hand. It's cold out too. You can see a little bit of redness there in my hand. That's a good thing right there. It's just nice. I wish the comp had this. And I'll tell you what,